Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can use the Amazon gift card. Before starting the process, you can support me by subscribing to my channel. To start the process, we open the Amazon application. After the application opens, we go to the Account tab at the bottom. On the page that opens, we tap the Your Account button. To use the gift card, we scroll up the screen, and in the Payments section, select the Manage Gift Card Balance option. Then we click on the Redeem Another Gift Card option. On the screen that opens, we write the code on the gift card in the relevant box and tap the Apply to Your Balance button. This way you can use your gift card. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it useful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.